Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Another day, another vlog. Hello Scarlett. Say hi. Hello. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
How are you?
What are you?
We are going to the church. Okay, so today's video is going to be the car blessing. We are going to the church. Actually, in a few minutes. It is currently 9:30 p.m. It is currently 9:30 in the morning, and we are heading to the church, which is near here in our area. And yeah, the mass is going to start at 10 in the morning. So I'm gonna have the car blessed so that we will be guided along the road. Since I am a fairly new driver, I'm a newbie, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me throughout the entire day. We're gonna attend the church first. I think it's gonna be for an hour, and then after that we are going to proceed with the car blessing. That's why in the background, as you guys can see, Scarlett is holding some candles. Asa kandila? Aman. Wow. Hi.
Hi.
So she's wearing a dress right now because we're going to the church, and so am I. And it's just gonna be me and my sister and Scarlett that will go. My mom is not going. Anyway, I can see Ziggy in there. Alright, so we are gonna go now. Where's my sister? I think she's trying to call Sarah.
Daddy.
So that Sarah will also come with us. So we are ready to go. We have Sarah in the back. Hi!
Hi.
So my sister is gonna try to buckle them up. Seatbelt first, safety first. Oh, anak ha? Then Scarlett. They're all wearing red. Unsa man ni Scarlett? I-cross niya ang kuan. Dili siya? Ah, sige. Okay? Are you okay there, kids?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
Excited?
Yeah.
Okay, my sister is here.
Hi.
Come on, buckle up, uy. You forget yourself. Okay, we're ready to go.
Okay.
Let's go, guys. Alright guys, we have arrived here. There's a lot of people. Wait. Okay, let's go. We're gonna attend the mass first for 1 hour, and then we're gonna proceed with the house blessing after that. So the car is there, that red one over there. We parked it in a basketball court. Dad is here, and then Scarlett. She's wearing a mask. It's too big for her. Sarah.
Hi.
And then my sister. We are in this guyabano tree because it is super hot, and I think the inside is already full. That's the church. It's pretty long. Ta-da! Look who's got some ice cream.
How much?
Wow!
How much? Pila? 10. Ano ginabugnaw? Dito, di ba ito bugnaw? Kaya daghan na puno na maliit niya.
What's that ice cream, Scarlett? You both have watermelon. Wow! Thank you, Katita. Thank you, Katita. Thank you, Tita.
Tita.
Kakamelon. Kani Father. Okay, so come on, let's go home. Right, so we have a commotion going on in here. The road is very small and we have someone on the other side.
Ano, kita. Atak ko.
Ano to? Kasuda na siya, eh.
Oh my god! Oh fudge! I'm the one that needs to reverse. Oh my god, I'm sweating. OMG.
Sige, di.
What the?
Salamat, ya.
Salamat, boy.
Oh, sige.
Oh my gosh.
Ha?
What a struggle! Oh my god. Ako na.
Batuhi. Sa siya.
Sige, ditso.
Atras gamay ya. Oh my gosh. What the
Bantayan na ni mo,
fudge?
nana. Bantayan na ni mo ba?
Gamay kayo.
Like if there's no one that will actually assist me what to do, then I'm so
Experience ka sa daan,
fudge.
tagbo ka ng gamay, tagbo.
What the fudge? Whew. That made me so sweaty.
Bantayan na ni mo aning kuan gud, gamay nga daan. Mag-id og karon.
Everyone, so this is actually another day already. I was not able to finish the vlog during the house blessing. So right now it is currently almost 6 p.m. I just tried to put the car here near the house. This is what I would usually do because during the day I would park it near there in the road area because there is a shade, and then once the sun is down I would park it near the house so that it wouldn't be so near in the main road. Anyway, so today's actually the day that I have released a video about the car that broke down where it did not turn on. And a lot of you guys have given me some recommendation what to do or whatnot. Some were also very harsh, but I think that is really unnecessary because, you know, you have to reconsider that I am a newbie and, you know, I don't really have a lot of knowledge about cars, to be honest. So I just really want to remind you guys about that because some are so harsh, I cannot believe. So I have finally realized like what's the reason behind the car not turning on, because if you guys can remember, I was talking to you guys on that video about that we already arrived and da-da-da, and I was waiting for my mom actually for about 30 minutes I think, and I was just sitting in the car. It was really hot, so I did not turn on the engine, but I just put the key on in here and I was using the fan the entire time. Okay, so that was my fault, and I think that was the exact reason why the battery was drained. But it is an experience and I have learned a lot from it. I was just really thankful that there are a lot of people that were so kind to us that helped us, like the CTOM, and then there is a mechanic in the area, and then there's another taxi. So there's like, actually there was like 4 people involved in order for us to be able to have the car turn on, and you know, I'm grateful for those people. By the way, I have here the manual. Okay, so this manual is very thick. Look at that, and you know, I cannot finish reading these all, but you know, I tried to skim through, but you know. For me, I am a visual learner. I'm not really like the type of person that will be able to learn like just by reading it. You need to show it to me. So I just watch a lot of YouTube videos about cars, and you know, especially this is an automatic transmission. I really need to know a lot of the functionalities, like the lights, and you know, about the front as well. And you know, I need to have some emergency kit, and so on. So everything was still overwhelming for me, to be honest. And I am grateful as well that some of you were so kind enough to recommend me a few stuff that really helped me and made me realize about what to do with the car. So again, guys, thank you all so much for that. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna be going to the city. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm gonna be getting a car insurance. Yes, that is definitely necessary, especially I'm a newbie. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel. Let's be all kind. I'll see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.